Chiang Mai.
Now we just gotta,
Figure out how to get to our hotel.
yeah.
We're Jack and Darlene, living an amazing life.
Join us as we embark on exciting travels and adventures exploring breathtaking destinations.
Together, we'll create unforgettable memories, embrace new cultures, and share the joy of living an amazing life.
Well, here we are. We arrived at our hotel. We took a car, which cost us about 100 baht, basically $3, and now we're here. Just look at this place. It's gigantic. This hotel is located in the heart of the Night Bazaar shopping district, where you can buy anything you're looking for.
I think there's shops and stuff over there too. Bakery. Yeah.
Restaurant and stuff over here. And then out here.
What a great hotel. This place is just amazing.
Oh, that's a good photo op. Selfie corner.
Well, we got our selfie.
We're in our hotel.
We're riding in the elevator.
We're about to go check out our room and we'll show you what it's like. So far, the hotel looks really, really nice.
Yeah, it was beautiful so far. And we got here at 9 in the morning. Check-in is not till like 1 in the afternoon.
Yeah, 1 or 2.
But they didn't say anything. They gave us a room key and go ahead up to your room. So,
Let's see, tell you where we're going.
yes. Let's see.
This way. 22, 24. Swadee ka.
Right here, my love.
Oh. So,
See. Come on, I'll be lights.
oh look, robes,
We're gonna make it home.
slippers, safe. Got a safe down there. Let me shut the door. Got a safe. Got some slippers. Got a couple robes and a closet. Wow, look at the bathroom.
We're kind of exploring the room at the same time with you guys. We just walked in. So let's see. Watch your step in.
Yeah, that's a trip hazard.
And
right
a
there.
shower. Nice big shower. Has a bathtub.
Yeah, really cool.
Toilet is right here behind the door.
Went the wrong direction. Toilet.
Over here, have a nice big sink with vanity mirror, hair dryer.
Yeah.
That's nice, very nice and clean. Wait till you get a peek at the room itself. Walk around the corner and check this room.
Wow. Really nice.
Yeah.
Really, really nice.
Place for suitcases. Over there is the closet.
Yeah, I showed the closet as we were walking in. There's actually a third bed, so this is like a
That's what they
person.
said. They said that it's a 3-person room, so
Yeah.
one big bed and a separate bed.
Maybe that's it connecting to the another room. Like you could have another room next door. It's locked, so yeah,
Yeah.
it's a connecting. Open the curtains. Let's see what
Yes,
if we have a view.
Open the curtains.
Oh wow. Wow. We're on the 22nd floor. We are with the birdies.
Yeah, look at them flying over here.
Pretty cool. All right,
Very,
well,
very cool.
let's get ourselves unpacked and settled in so we can go walk around.
As we arrived here, we noticed that there were quite a few restaurants right around this hotel. Now we're walking around inside, and there are several restaurants right inside this hotel.
We are in the Duangtawan Hotel. Going up to the next floor, which is the reception floor, where the reception desk is. And they got a tour place here. If you want to buy tours, you can buy them right here in the hotel. If you haven't already, or if you're interested in doing other tours, they have packages, reception desk and cashier. And as you come around, right there, my love. Right here, my love. Oh, it's going down. And these are the elevators.
So in this hotel, the pool is on the 4th floor. It almost looks like this. Oh, it's just like a spa area. Aerobic room. Guest reception. They don't have the activities up yet for today. I don't know where the pool is located. There's also this fitness center. I bet you there might be people in here now because it's early in the morning and maybe people are working out.
This is easily the best hotel gym I have ever seen.
Pretty big gym.
Yeah, a really big gym. I don't know where the pool is. Oh wait, here. Oh, that must be the outside bar connected to this side of the pool. We probably can't see it from the other side. Oh, cup and top. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're gonna definitely have to come out here later. This evening or whatever. Mm-hmm. Really cool. Great hotel.
It is. And we love Thailand so far. Food, everything. But Chiang Mai has a whole different vibe than Bangkok. There's other places. Really relaxed, laid back, kind of cool. I'm really liking Chiang Mai.
Me too. I mean, it's very much like almost like a little beach town, even though it's not in the near any beach. It's in the center northern.
It's up in the mountains, and but it's kind of like you're almost expecting to hear Jimmy Buffett start playing Margaritaville. You know, it's kind of like that laid back beach town vibe up in the mountains. It's really cool.
Yeah, it's a really nice pool. We'll have to come later. We're gonna go on a tour this morning. It's a day tour to Chiang Rai. It leaves at 7. That's why we're up so early. Picked us up at our hotel. I'll put the link to how we booked it down in the description, but not a rooftop pool, but pretty cool.
I like it.
Yeah, that's nice. We need an elephant sculpture for our pool at home. Yeah. Well, we definitely have to come later. Really nice pool. Very big. Elephants. So yeah, here's the pool at our hotel in Chiang Mai.
It's a really nice hotel. I recommend it. Super clean. Rooms are big, as you saw on the tour. Big pool, centrally located. Price is right.
All right, well, we better get back down to the lobby so we can catch our day trip. We'll see you guys soon.
We made it back from our day trip to Chiang Rai, and now we're going to go enjoy the pool for a little bit.
Right.
Let's head to
On
the
this side or
pool.
that side?
That
side
side.
of the bar,
Yeah,
this
let's go that side.
Don't forget to look for our other videos on Chiang Mai. We went to a wonderful cooking class. We went to a national forest. We saw the ancient temples, and we went to the famous Sunday night market.
Yeah, so guys, please subscribe to our channel. It would really help us out. It's absolutely free. If you can like this video, that would really help us as well. There's also a hype button you guys can push. Also, make sure you look for some of our other videos. We have a whole series on Bangkok. We have our Northern Thailand, Chiang Mai and Chiang Rai series. Also, we're going to Krabi. So please, guys, subscribe and follow us.